There's a question on a repeated identity, area and fractions from Taunan, primary 5. Rectangle A and rectangle B overlap each other. Given that 1/6 of rectangle A is shaded, while 1/4 of rectangle B is shaded, what fraction of the figure is not shaded? Okay, now to do this effectively, you can develop a ratio for yourself. Okay, so 1 out of a total of 6 units for A is shaded. So we talk about shaded is to A. This will be 1:6. Alright. So next we can speak the same of rectangle B. 1/4 of rectangle B is shaded. So shaded is to rectangle B is 1:4. Now, since the shaded is the same, right? It's exactly the same area. It's not like it's different for rectangle A and B, right? Because the area here is exactly the same. The repeated identity here is the shaded portion. Okay, so we just have to ensure that both of these are the same. So in this question is very nice because both these numbers are already the same. Okay, so what fraction of the figure is not shaded? Now that I know that shaded is 1 unit, let's use this color here. And in a rectangle A, the area of rectangle A is 6 units, which means not shaded will be 6 minus 1, which is 5 units. So inside here will be 5 units. So likewise, if you go to a rectangle B, the entire portion is 4 units, as indicated by this ratio. And over here is 1 unit. So not shaded will be 4 minus 1, which is 3 units. So inside here will be 3 units. So what fraction of the whole figure is not shaded? So not shaded will be 5 plus 3. Which is 8. Okay, so this is the number of units that is not shaded. Out of the whole figure. Now the whole figure is 5 plus 1 plus 3. Now be careful, be mindful not to double count this part. Okay, because the whole figure is just this 5 units plus this 1 more unit plus the 3 units here. Alright, so the fraction that is not shaded will be 8 out of a total of 5 plus 1 plus 3, which is 8 out of 9. Final answer for this question, 8/9.